Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you some interesting and shocking facts about Kareena Kapoor Khan. She was born on 21st September 1980. As you know, she is a famous Bollywood actress and she has worked in many kind of films, let it be the romantic drama, comedy or independent movies as well. She is a sister of Bollywood actress Kareena Kapoor. She is the daughter of Bollywood actors Ranbir Kapoor and Babita. Often she is, as I told you before, she is informally referred to as Bebo. She is the granddaughter of actor and filmmaker Raj Kapoor and also the niece of actor Rishi Kapoor. In her career, she had many controversies, like there had been the cat fight between Bipasha Basu on the sets of the film Ajnabi, as she publicly took a dig at her skin tone by calling her a Kali Billy. Her controversial MMS with Shahid Kapoor having a steamy lip lock went viral on the social media. I hope you remember that. She publicly made fun of Priyanka Chopra's accent, after which Priyanka finally replied by saying that she got it from the same place that Saif got his from. Her favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli, who is married to Anushka Sharma, and she likes the color red and black, and her favorite travel destinations are Switzerland and London. She takes 11 crore per film and her net worth is approximately $60 million. And yet another thing, very few people know that her birth name was Siddhima, which was given by her grandfather Raj Kapoor. This might be also interesting to note that her father was very protective towards her and Krishna and wanted that both of them stay away from acting and get married and have babies, which led to conflicts with her father, after which both the sisters started living with their mother. She had a huge crush on actor Akshay Khanna in her teenage days. Well friends, until now this is enough, so I will come back with another video on Kareena Kapoor. So like the video and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.